Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into something really important that you won't want to miss. If you enjoy thoughtful content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow us on whichever social media platform you're watching. Your support means everything. Now let's get into today's topic.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking into how AI and automation are really shaking things up in the finance world.
Mm,
We've got this piece, AI and automation in finance, and our mission, really, for you listening, is to get a clear handle on the key changes, without drowning in jargon.
exactly. Think of it as getting straight to the point how this tech is actually changing how money works for everyone.
Okay, great. Let's jump in then. AI and automation in finance. I mean, the title itself suggests some pretty major shifts. What's the big picture here?
Well, the big picture is finance is adopting systems that learn, systems that crunch huge amounts of data, and frankly, do certain tasks way faster, sometimes more accurately than people can.
Uh-huh.
But it's not just about replacement. It's also unlocking totally new ways of doing things, new capabilities.
Right, okay. So beyond that general idea, where are we actually seeing this happen? Like, what specific parts of finance are feeling this?
Risk management is a big one, definitely. Machine learning, for example, can sift through millions of transactions.
Millions, wow.
Yeah, and spot these really subtle fraud patterns, things that uh, older systems, the more basic rule-based ones, they'd likely just miss them completely.
So more security then. That's a direct benefit.
Absolutely. Much smarter, faster fraud detection.
Okay, that's pretty clear. What else? What about the people, the jobs in finance?
Yeah, that's a key question. We're likely going to see, well, a bigger need for people who can actually work alongside these AI tools.
Ah, so working with the AI.
Exactly. Instead of, say, hours of manual data entry, maybe your job becomes analyzing the insights the AI spits out,
Mm.
making strategic calls based on that.
So it's less about jobs vanishing and more about jobs changing,
Yeah.
needing different skills.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Like being able to interpret what the AI is telling you, which can be complex. It's an evolution of roles, really.
Interesting. Okay, the human element adapts. How does this trickle down? How does it affect the services for regular people like you and me?
Oh, this is where it gets quite tangible for everyone. We're seeing more personalized financial services, things powered by AI. Robo-advisors are a good example. They use algorithms, right, to build investment portfolios just for you, based on your specific goals, how much risk you're comfortable with.
Stuff that used to need a pricey human advisor maybe.
That's right. It makes that kind of tailored advice potentially more accessible.
Okay, so better access, more personalization, any other day-to-day impacts we might notice.
Definitely. Think about applying for a loan. Automation can analyze creditworthiness, all the relevant data, almost instantly sometimes.
Ah, speeding up approvals.
Exactly. So you get faster access to funds when you need them. It cuts down the waiting time.
Okay, so from quicker loans, personalized investments, it really does sound like AI and automation are touching, well, a lot of aspects of finance.
They really are. And what's truly fascinating, I think, is the potential here. These tools analyzing data in ways we just couldn't before, they could lead to entirely new financial products, services we haven't even thought of yet.
Right. That's a big thought. Okay, so if we're boiling it down, the main takeaway seems pretty straightforward. AI and automation aren't just coming, they're here, and they're fundamentally reshaping finance. All of it.
Absolutely. It's happening now, and it's only picking up speed.
So let's wrap up this deep dive. Here's a final thought for you to chew on. As AI gets deeper into finance, what specific skills or maybe what kind of knowledge do you think becomes way more valuable, or maybe less so? Something to consider as all this keeps changing.
Thank you for watching this video. I'm so glad you're here. If you enjoyed our thoughtful content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on whichever social media platform you're watching. Your support means everything. Now see you soon in our upcoming video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.